Thousands upon thousands of Ethiopians have come here to the centre of Washington, D.C. to celebrate and to meet their new Prime Minister. They see it as a new dawn for their country. This area is home to the most number of Ethiopians outside of Ethiopia, and it feels like most of them have come here today to celebrate. I've spoken to young and old, and all of them are really, really excited about what the future holds for their country, and some are even considering returning home.
It is a moment for everybody to move back because of the new change. No question about it. He is our hero.
He keeps Ethiopia peaceful and he made it more peaceful.
Now he's leading the country to the greater and more united, not only Ethiopia but Africa. So we will support him. His goal is to bring peace to the world. So we are with him.
Why do you love him?
Because the first thing is he likes mothers in the women's.
You might have guessed the new Prime Minister has just arrived, and this is the reaction. This is quite a drab building, but it isn't anymore. Filled with the flags, the green, yellow and red, all this colour and noise. All these people hoping that their new Prime Minister is going to fulfil all the promises he's made, and it could mean that some of them will return home for good. Kate Fisher, SABC News, Washington.